Hi everyone, I'm Lauren and today I'm going to show you all how I style my hair with a winter beanie using my 3-in-1 curling wand. So I'm going to start off with a heat protectant, my favorite heat protectant, which is the hot off the press heat protectant. So I'm going to give my hair a spritz spray before I begin styling. And as I mentioned, I'm using my Paul Mitchell 3-in-1 curling wand, and I'm using the cone shaped barrel to create really loose, pretty waves. And this is just going to set the foundation for the multiple styles that I'm going to show you all today that I like to rock when I'm wearing my winter beanie. So I'm just using my normal method of wrapping my hair around the barrel and then allowing the hair to cool in the palm of my hand and then releasing, and it's just a very effortless, pretty wave as you can see. And now I'm just going to curl my bangs, as I always, toward my face. And voila, you have a very, very pretty down hairstyle with my beanie. I like to rock it this way, but I'm also going to show you all how I pull it back into a low ponytail. So I'm just going to take my bungee and wrap it around to secure it in place. And then this is just the second style that I like to rock with my beanie, which is just a simple low ponytail, but it has a little bit of sass because I've already added those pretty loose waves. So style number 3 is just going to be a low bun. So I'm just going to twist the ponytail and then twist it and wrap it around the bungee to create a low bun at the nape of my neck. And then I'm just going to take my second bungee to secure that in place. And then you just have a really cute low bun with your wavy bangs in the front. And I really love this hairstyle. It's so easy, so cute, and one of my favorites. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. It was so much fun for me to do. So be sure to check back every week for new videos and be sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys.